Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever dreamed of running your own mini factory right from your home, yes, from that spare room, garage, or even your living room if you're feeling bold, then today is your lucky day. Because 2026 is about to be the year of home-based manufacturing, and I'm giving you 11 powerful machines you can buy to start a profitable mini factory business without needing a warehouse, a floor manager, or an industrial estate. Just you, the machines, and your ambition. Let's dive in. 1. Heat press machine, t-shirts, mugs and custom merch. If creativity runs in your veins, this machine will literally print money for you. A heat press lets you make t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, hoodies, caps, anything you can slap a design on. Perfect for birthdays, business branding, school uniforms, and wedding souvenirs. How to start? Learn basic design using Canva. Partner with local businesses for bulk orders. Sell custom pieces on Etsy and TikTok Shop. 2. 3D printer, personalized products and prototyping. Welcome to the futuristic money machine. 3D printers can make phone holders, jewelry, toys, custom decor, replacement parts, and the list is endless. Why it works? The 3D printing market is booming, and people love unique, custom items. Start small. Offer print-on-demand 3D designs for home decor, keychains, and mini figurines. 3. Button badge maker. Small machine, big demand. If you want a fast, low-maintenance business, this is it. Badges sell like hot pancakes at school events, rallies, birthday celebrations, and corporate retreats. Bonus tip. Create motivational badges, or Nigeria, UK Pride badges, and sell them online. 4. Candle making machine. DIY luxury candle factory. Candle businesses are not slowing down anytime soon. With a small candle making machine or wax melter, you can produce batches of candles quickly and consistently. Product ideas. Luxury scented candles. Soy candles. Wedding and birthday candles. Aromatherapy kits. 5. Mini soap making machine. Organic soap factory. If you love self-care or skincare, this is a goldmine. Soap making machines help you melt, mix, mold, and package soaps with high quality. Niches you can tap into. Herbal soaps. Black soap bars, baby-safe soaps, facial bars, men's grooming soaps. 6. Automatic juice extractor. Fresh juice bottling at home. If you're a lover of fresh juice, this is your time to shine. A commercial mini juice extractor can help you produce bottled drinks for events, offices, gyms and markets. Ideas. Pineapple juice, ginger shots, detox blends, healthy juice subscriptions. You didn't hear it from me, but detox juices make wild profit margins. 7. Electric sewing machine. Home fashion factory. With just one advanced sewing machine, you can run a mini fashion studio at home. Produce. Ready-to-wear outfits. Pillowcases, tote bags, curtains, baby clothes, aprons. Clothing sells year-round. Fashion will never go out of style. 8. Mini packaging sealer. Snacks, cosmetics and more. A sealing machine is cheap, small, and the backbone of many home factories. Use it to seal chin-chin, nuts, soap powders, spices, granola, and other small items. Bonus tip. Combine this with your own snack or spice brand. 9. Sticker and label printer. Branding factory at home. This machine is a quiet millionaire maker. Every business needs labels, stickers, and packaging branding. Your machine becomes the supplier. Sell logo stickers, candle labels, soap packaging, product tags, water bottle labels, and charge per sheet or per 100 pieces. Easy money. 10. Mini CNC router, wood, metal and engraving business. A CNC machine is basically the grown-up sibling of a 3D printer, carving things with precision. Create custom wooden signs, key holders, wall decor, jewelry boxes, phone stands, engraved gifts. People love custom items, and engraved gifts always sell high during festive seasons. 11. Home embroidery machine, luxury branding factory. If you want to service corporate customers or premium fashion lovers, this machine is for you. Embroidery adds a luxury look to hats, shirts, towels, uniforms, bags. You can easily start a school uniform and corporate branding business from home. How to stand out in 2026. Focus on branding from day one. Use TikTok and YouTube Shorts to show behind the scenes. Offer customization. It makes your products feel expensive. Partner with event planners, schools and small businesses. Sell on Etsy, Amazon Handmade, and Instagram. So there you have it. 11 powerful machines you can use to build your own mini factory at home in 2026. Start small, grow consistently, and remember, your home may look like a normal house now, but by next year, it could be the headquarters of your own manufacturing empire. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more business and passive income ideas. See you in the next one.